Imagine stepping into a classroom where every student is engaged, learning effectively, and thriving emotionally. This vision can be realized through robust pedagogical frameworks. A pedagogical framework provides the essential structure for effective teaching, assessment, and lifelong learning. In this video, we will explore three interconnected domains that enhance educational practice: the scholarship of teaching, research-validated instructional approaches, and effective assessment strategies. Let's break this down step by step. First, we'll focus on the scholarship of teaching. This involves systematically studying and reflecting on teaching practices. Instead of casual reflections, teachers are encouraged to adopt a research-minded approach to enhance student learning. This systematic inquiry allows educators to generate, test, and share pedagogical knowledge. Now, let's discuss research-validated instructional approaches. These are teaching methods proven effective through empirical studies, often rooted in cognitive science and educational psychology. Using methods such as active learning and retrieval practice helps increase student engagement and retention. By incorporating these strategies, educators can align their teaching with how students learn best. Next, effective assessment strategies come into play. Assessments should not be mere measurements, they should guide instructional improvement. Aligning assessments with learning standards helps gauge student understanding and progress. Clear learning targets and performance descriptors are crucial. To illustrate, consider an undergraduate biology course. Students aim for mastery of concepts, reasoning skills, and lifelong learning abilities. Instruction involves flipped classrooms, retrieval quizzes, and engaging lab projects. Assessments include standards-aligned exams and reflective portfolios. The continuous improvement cycle is crucial here. The instructor gathers data to refine the teaching process. In another scenario, a high school history class targets knowledge of historical periods and reasoning skills. Document-based questions and structured debates provide a platform for collaborative learning. Rubrics emphasize reasoning and encourage reflective assignments. As we summarize, a strong pedagogical framework integrates the scholarship of teaching, research-backed instructional methods, and effective assessment systems. Each component builds cohesion across learning experiences, fostering an environment for rigorous thinking and lifelong inquiry. Now, it's your turn. Consider how you can implement these pedagogical frameworks in your educational setting. Think about which strategies can enhance your teaching and make learning more impactful. Join the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts on how these frameworks can transform education. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos on enhancing teaching and learning.